Rey's red carpet makeup is going viral and I'm obsessed. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome back to my channel. I do makeup, skincare and all things pretty, so if that's your vibe, do subscribe. Let's start with skincare because Rey's base is everything we need. It's super fresh, dewy and lit from within. First, I tone my face to reset the skin. Then I go in with centella pads. They are my secrets for that deep hydration. I swipe them gently all over to calm my face and prep the skin. Then I lock in all that moisture with a lightweight but nourishing moisturizer. Skin prep is the key for this look. If your base is hydrated and plump, your makeup will sit like a dream. I'm using e.l.f. foundation today because it gives this soft, radiant finish without looking too heavy. I apply just a small amount and blend it out to keep that natural skin feel. For concealer, I mix 2 shades to match my foundation. I only apply it where I really needed the coverage, mostly around my acne marks, and I keep it light. Remember, Rey's look is super subtle, not full glam. For blush, I'm using Rare Beauty and I'm applying just a hint of it. Rey's blush is barely there, so I'm being really gentle with it. Just enough to bring a soft flush to the cheeks. Then I set my T-zone area with a pressed powder to keep everything in place, but later I'm gonna set my blush area with a powder blush. Moving on to the brows, I'm fluffing and shaping them with a Benefit Brow Wax, then locking them in with their brow setter. For contour, I'm using Hoola Bronzer to softly sculpt my nose. No harsh line, just a little shadow to define. Then I warm up the rest of my face with a Hoola Bronzer. For eyes, I'm using 2 soft pink shades and blending them across my lid. Then, with the same brush I used for nose contour, no extra product, I define the outer corners for that lifted effect. To enhance that cute under eye area, I draw on an aegyo-sal following my natural shape. I highlight it using a light pink blush and top it off with a shimmer shadow for that dimension pop. I did my eyeliner and lashes off camera, but I curled my lashes really well and applied soft false lashes to match Rey's eye look. Then I go back in with powder blush to set my liquid blush. I use a shimmer shadow on the inner corners of my eyes, bridge of my nose, just like the Rey's Soft Glow highlights. I use a pink shimmer highlighter right on the cheeks for that dreamy finish. For the lips, I start by lining them carefully, then I mix 3 different lippies to get the perfect muted pink shade that match Rey's look. A little trial and error, but the result is worth it. To finish, I add a dewy balm to the high points of my face to get that healthy hydrated glow. And that's it, my recreation of Rey's stunning red carpet makeup look. I honestly love how soft and wearable it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with your friend and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.